Hey there, it's Hunter, Hoops Collector, with an actual rip of some hoops. So I finally got all my illusions in that I had, traded for, bought a little bit over SRP. I think I've been on my soapbox before about buying over and don't like to do it, but I do like to rip. And this is the last major retail release for the year, 1920. Which is way better of a draft class than what next year is going to be. So I wanted to make sure and go all in. This is going to be kind of a 2, maybe 3-part series of breaks. First off, illusions. I've got 46 value packs I'm going to open up. That's a lot, but yeah, I wanted to go, all in on this last release. And then got 12 blasters and 4 mega boxes. But this first one is gonna center around 46 of these. So this is the stacks of them. So what I'm gonna do, because it's easier to see and everything, so I'm gonna actually move these now off the camera. It's a lot easier with my space that I actually have to be able to, just kind of restock on some packs over here. And what we'll do is go ahead and get started. I'm gonna have some, kind of showcase pieces, and I may be stopping and sleeving things as we go if it's a big hit. But yeah, hope you enjoy. Let me know what you think about in the likes and the comments and everything as we finish this. But yeah, appreciate it, and let's get to opening. We got 46 of them to go, so go ahead and try and do these as fast as possible. We'll stop on some hits and everything, but yeah, we'll likely just end up going pretty quick. So Frank Ntilikina, DeGrom, Alders, there's a LeBron first pack, Oladipo, Bojan Bogdanovic season highlights. Man, these are shiny. I'm trying to make sure. Kendrick Nunn, Kobe White, and Cam Reddish rookies in that first one. That's actually a pretty good rookie trio for that first pack. 3 guys that I think are actually going to be 3 of the better ones in the class that aren't named Zion and Ja. Vooch, Buddy Hield, OG. He had a heck of a series recently. Nice. Here's a parallel of Chris Middleton. It looks like it's a green or a teal. I'm not sure what the releases are. I need to look and see. It's at a 125. Baisley, Simonic, and Romeo Langford. Another Baisley. Giannis, nice. Vooch, Buddy Hield, OG. There's an Isaiah Roby. I'm guessing that's the parallel exclusive. The orange and teal. Okay, so yeah, teal are the numbered and orange are the basic parallels. Okay, cool. I'm up to date now. Caris LeVert, Waters, and Baisley. Nice. Also got Tampa and New Orleans football going on in the background while I'm watching, so I apologize if I pause for a second while some things are getting heated up. So it's crazy to see that these 2 guys, Brady and Breeze, are in the same division. It's kind of insane. Derek Jones, Shea G, nice. Ooh, love that. Dame, astounding. That's a PC of mine. Josh Richardson, orange parallel. Oh, nice. Caruso's actually in this set as a base card. Cool. Kawhi, Bam Adebayo, Jackson Hayes, DeAndre Hunter, Nasir Little. Sweet, astounding. I need to see if that's actually a parallel with those. If that's an orange parallel. Didn't get a chance to watch the game today. I've been watching football and filing a lot of stuff with my cards, but heard that the Nuggets had a massive comeback to take that to 3-3. So that's pretty awesome. Dame again. Donovan Mitchell, orange parallel, nice. And Baines, Gobert, Ingles, Bruno, Admiral. Ooh, that's a bad rookie pack, but like Joe Burrow got on the scoring board before Chargers. Kuzma, Embiid, Brook Lopez, Derek Favors, another Bohan, Vince Carter, nice. There's a Luka. That's cool. He's got that jersey on in the back that looks like it. That was the same picture from the Threads. Culver, Kyle Guy. From the Threads from Chronicles. Lonzo, Koji, Siakam. The orange out of this is Christian Wood. Don't even know who that is. RJ, Ty Jerome, Matisse. So we haven't gotten a jar of Zion just yet. But we do have 46 of these bad boys to go through. There's a Terrence Davis, nice. Montrez, Dylan Brooks, he tore it up towards at the restart and even into the trying to go into the playoffs. There's a Kendrick Nunn, Dwayne Wade reflections. That's cool. Jamal Murray, Kobe, Cam, Terrence Davis. Looks like Kobe and Cam come together in the print. Simons, Seth Curry, Dinwiddie. Oh, Duncan Robinson, actual. I mean, is that technically considered a rookie? Oh, sweet. It's a PC of mine. Daniel Gafford, orange parallel. Sweet. Arkansas guy. That's why he's my PC. Not necessarily because of the playing time he got, because their coach was an idiot this year, but all signs looking like they're going to make a good hire. I don't know if they have just yet, but they've got to be starting Kobe White. No doubt about it. And then whenever Gafford was on the court, their plus-minus was insane, and their coach still just... Because he plays incredible defense. And he can out-rebound just about anybody. Lou Williams parallel. Cam, Terrence Davis, RJ Barrett. Yeah. Here's some new rookies. I see a Keldon. Who's that? Dame. Nice. Season highlight. Jalen. Fred VanVleet. Wow, so there was no orange parallel in this. Interesting. Seems like there was one every pack. Goga. Oh, nice. Saints just scored with these. That's cool. John Stockton. I'm guessing that's an orange parallel. And there's a Kimba. Wow, that pack of rookies was all bottom tier. AD, D'Angelo. Sabonis orange, nice. I could give that to my buddy. Big Pacers fan. Alright, looks like we're getting a lot of Cam. There's Ayton, nice. Dante. Fred VanVleet. White. There's a hero. Nice. Ah, there we go. Luka Shining Stars. Orange. Orange parallel. That has to be parallel, right? Double parallel in these. I would think so. Bagley, Lonnie Walker. Pascal. Brandon Clark. And Tyler Herro. Sweet. Alright, so there's the first kind of decent stack of them. Sabonis again. Oh, that's kind of cool. What is that? Instant Impact. Okay, so similar to Prism, I guess, that insert. Instant Impact. Matisse, Culver, and Kyle Guy. I think we've seen that combo before. There's another hero on the back, so I think we're going to get that same rookie combo. Bridges. There's Tatum. KG, Living Legends, nice. Zach LaVine, orange parallel. JJ, Bismarck, Biyombo. Pascal, yeah, Pascal, Clark, and Harrow, if I see them on the back. Thought that was Zion on the back. It was not. LeBron again. Jaylen Brown, parallel. Poole, Gafford, and Melly. Yeah, we have not seen the. Is LeBron and. Or not LeBron. Is Zion and Ja together? Or are Zion and Ja together? Kristaps, Booker. Nice. LeBron, orange Mystique. What a hit. That is a sick card right there. Luka. Goga, Rui, KPJ. Got Melly on the back again, so that means it's going to be Gafford and I can't remember the other guy. Hassan Whiteside, Terrence Ross, Giannis again. That's cool. Little insert, career lineage. Poole, Gafford, and Melly. Seth Curry. Bruno, Admiral Schofield, Nickeil Alexander-Walker. Montrezl Harrell. Kawhi. There's Naz Reid. Taco Fall. I don't know if you watched my last video, Chronicles, but I pretty much have a Naz Reid PC going on now because of all the copies I got of him. Oh my god. It was insane what I was getting out of Chronicles of him. Isaac. Looks like there may be a little issue on the print there. I don't know. What is this? Oh, that's sick. Clear shots. Those are so cool. I love acetates. So whenever they had this in the release for Illusions, looks like Brady just threw a pick. Oh, bad overthrow, man. Oh, that's sick. Why for the Celtics, though? I guess it's the last team he played for. Okay, that makes sense, I guess. Man. Somebody is running something outside, and I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's struggling. Ooh, orange jaw. Nice. It's a good hit. Luka. Pascal, Clark, and Harrow. Harrow is not a bad rookie to be getting right now. He has basically jumped up to kind of the, I guess, third in line right now, even though I think Kobe White is eventually going to be there behind Ja and Zion. But right now, oh, there's a sick Mystique of a Draymond orange. Matisse, Jarrett Culver, Kyle Guy. But yeah, I think it's eventually going to be Kobe White as kind of your third behind this, in this class. Nice. It's a PC of mine. DeAndre Ayton, orange parallel. There's a Ja. Okay, so it's Isaiah Roby, Ja, and Darius Garland. Okay. Or something close to that, I guess. Duncan Robinson again. Alexander Walker and Drew Holiday. Nice. Kobe, Cam, Terrence Davis. Yeah, it looks like that's the Kobe. Nice, Darius Garland. Luka again. Man, we're pulling lots of Lukas. Nice. We're getting there. This is a quick break, mainly because these packages are working with me, and also, you know, it's not too many big hits. There's a lot of base in here, so nice Harrow and Wade. Kendrick, Kobe, Cam. I think Kendrick Nunn on that team's going to be really good. The Heat, just in general, man, that's going to be a really good team moving forward. I mean, they're already in the conference finals. First year with all these guys. Uh-oh, another teal is Jonas Valanciunas. I probably butchered that, but never been able to try and pronounce his name. RJ, Ty Jerome. Kamara with another touchdown, man. Last stack of about 12 or so. Oh, there's a new rookie, KZ. Maybe this is the Zion pack. TJ Warren lit it up in the playoffs. Oh wow, nice Domantas Sabonis out of 125. Teal. I wonder if my buddy will want that one. Wink, wink. Brazadakis, Dylan Windler, and KZ Okpala. My God, man. The combinations they have of the three rookies at the end in the front runs, some of them are real bad. Carson Edwards, orange. Okay, rookie orange. Terrence Davis, RJ Barrett. LeBron James. Caruso orange. And a regular Caruso. There he is. So it's Romeo, Zion, and Sekou. First Zion. Let's see if this run of packs can pull us a couple of those combinations. Can't remember Tremont. Giannis. Kawhi season highlights. There's a Ja again. So there's Ja, Darius Garland, and Tremont. So we're looking for Sekou on the back. Chris Stapps. Uh-oh, what is this? It's an auto. Nice. Etwan Moore. And a Kemba Walker orange. Nice. We got an auto out of this. Man, that card is bent all to heck. Brandon Ingram. And a lot of Terrence Davis, too. PJ. It's our first PJ, too. AD. Ah, nice. Zion. Season highlights. Nicola Melli, and then PJ. Doesn't it suck on whenever a collations like this, though? Like, where you pretty much know what it is? I don't know. I'm not really big on that, man. I don't remember it ever really being that bad, you know. Clear shots, Russell Westbrook. Growing up. Opening these. Luka again. Pascal, and then Brandon Clark. Mitchell. Nice. Oh, that's a sick card. That is a cool insert. Giannis as a baby. And then Giannis is the beast as he is now. Too bad they got bounced, man. He got hurt. I mean, there was no chance in that series. It just, period. There just wasn't. And then not only that, but the Heat should probably be the 2 seed, probably in the East, like, moving forward. I mean, that team is just, they're just stacked, man. They've drafted really well and picked up really good free agents. Ah, sweet. So there's a Blake Griffin, and I can't remember what this is called. It's something star, but that's exclusive to retail. That's cool. Goga, Rui, Porter Jr. again. Down to our last 5. Opened up a lot of it. We've opened up these pretty fast. Versus most of my other pack openings. Oubre, Gary Harris, Cody Zeller, Troy Brown, Steve Nash orange. Nice. Ooh, and a Kobe White orange. Nice. Matisse, Jarrett Culver, Kyle Guy. Kobe White's nice. Like I said, I think Kobe White, Tyler Hero are my holds for this year. I think I'm going to hold PJ as well. I think PJ, maybe not this contract with Charlotte, but PJ is going to be really good too. And I think Culver has a chance too at doing well. I just, we'll see what Minnesota does with that #1 pick. I mean, if they go Anthony Edwards with that #1 pick, Culver might as well just pack it up. I mean, that's his position, and Anthony Edwards is a scoring machine, so we'll see. Maybe they use it for trade. I don't know. Speaking of D'Angelo Russell. Cam Reddish orange, nice. MPJ, our first MPJ. Aaron Gordon, first one. There were some newbies of those guys. Cam Johnson, that's our first Cam Johnson. I'm big on him too, and I think Cam Johnson's going to be really good. A lot quicker than most other people because, he played 4 years, which is uncommon now in college. So, down to our last 2 packs. Let's see if we can pull another. Oh, there's a PC Nasreed. But now, let's see if we can pull another Zion. Nice, Chris Webber. You know what, man? He has turned into a great commentator. A play-by-play guy. Who the hell is Kevin Looney? Joe Ingles, Carson, PJ, and Nasreed. Our last pack. Let's see if we can pull a Zion. Doesn't look like it. We got the Cody Martin pack. I think this is 3 duds as rookies. Nice. Kawhi. Trae Young. Quindary, Grant Williams, Cody Martin. Yikes. Okay, so that about does it. That's the couple stacks of all the value packs. But we had fun opening them. Got some decent inserts. It looks like the value packs don't have as many inserts as I'd hope. But they got the orange specific acetates. So they do have some value in, being exclusive inserts. And they did have those exclusive teals. So we got a couple of those. No one real big except my buddy. He'll be fiending for that Sabonis. So when he watches this, but yeah, Thunder is over here in the window just hanging out. What's up, Thunder? Hey, what's up, bud? He's hanging out in the window, but yeah, appreciate you all watching. Appreciate any comments. What do you think about this release? We're going to be opening up, like I said. Probably the second part is going to be blasters and the mega boxes. And yeah, we'll be done for the year. It's crazy to think about it, but yeah, we'll be done for the year because the next releases are way out of my budget when you got Opulence and Flawless and all that jazz. So, but yeah, appreciate it as always. Any likes, comments, subscriptions, and we'll see you next time.